Group 12, the San Francisco-Oakland Bay Bridge. The San Francisco-Oakland Bay Bridge is located on Interstate 80 between San Francisco and Alameda counties. Located at the mouth of the bay, San Francisco was in a perfect location during the California Gold Rush. However, after the completion of the Transcontinental Road in May of 1869, the city was now on the opposite side of the bay from the new railroad. As the railroad increased in popularity as a way to transport goods, San Franciscans feared that their city would lose popularity as a trade location and would face drastic decline. The idea of constructing a bridge over the San Francisco Bay was already being discussed before this problem. After lengthy debate, Congress approved California's request to use this island on February 20th, 1931, and construction began on July 9th, 1933.
The cost of the bridge when it was built in 1933 was $77 million. With inflation, today it would have cost $1.5 billion to build. It was paid off by the tolls collected on the Oakland side of the bridge.
The project featured two suspension bridges that spanned the west of the bay. Cantilevered truss and approaches spanned the east portion of the bay. Both bridges were double-deck, which supported a total of 12 lanes of traffic. The bridge also features seismic innovations. It was built using a process called battering to provide better stability. Battering had been used in the making of oil rigs for decades, but had never been used on a project of this size. Hinge pipe beams were also used in the making of the bridge, which are designed to move within their sleeves during the expansion and contraction of the bridge in minor events such as temperature change. These beams absorb the energy of earthquakes to minimize damage to the bridge's main structure.
The biggest benefit of building the bridge was the connection of the cities of San Francisco and Oakland. Since the bridge was such a large feat, new engineering techniques were implemented for its creation. Some are still being used today. A few negative effects that came along with the building of the bridge were an increase in pollution due to the amount of cars being used as well as destruction of local ecosystems.
The San Francisco-Oakland Bay Bridge connected the cities of San Francisco and Oakland for the first time. This shortened the time by automobile and eliminated the outdated, dangerous ferry system of traveling between the two cities.
The government's engineers speculated the idea of building this bridge in 1924. Congressional approval was also needed in order to use Yerba Buena Island as it was a Navy base at the time of construction.
The bridge has undergone many repairs. A large portion of the bridge was destroyed after the 1989 Loma Prieta earthquake. Since then, there has been a consistent renovation of the bridge due to different collapses. The most recent construction was finished in September 2018, where the rods used to anchor the roadway to earthquake safety structures were tightened.